Okay, now I'm back inside so that was the back door I just came in. Back there where Tina's standing in front.
Heat comes from above, and this is a built-in. I like that.
And now I'm going into, there's a bedroom down here. This is the master underneath floor off of the living room. You have a window here, the view out the front.
It's got a nice kitchen. You can hear the dogs barking. Ken went out back, and they have some dogs in a kennel. This door here is to the basement, and we'll go down there in a minute. Let's see about venting. I remembered your vents. Let's see if we can't find them. We know this is vented to the outside, because it's too clean not to be.